In this video, we're going to show you how to use Printful and Jumper to create and sell your products via Facebook Messenger. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head over to jumper.ai and create your account. Next have to do is after your account is created, you're going to have to create an integration, right? And that is going to be tying in your Printful account. So if it's not connected here, so what you'll do is you'll get your Printful API key, and what you'll do is you'll hit connect. You'll look for this Printful API in your store, go to your settings, go to add products. Once you do that, there's settings, click API, enable it, and then once you do that, you'll get this code. You'll take that code and copy that back into your Jumper account. Click connect. Then the two accounts are connected, as you can see. Then once you do that, then we'll go to products, and we're going to import your products from your store. So if you've already created your products in Printful, you're going to want to just create a hashtag, which is going to be used for your Facebook Messenger, so when people want to buy. So you'll create t-shirts as your hashtag. So that's created as your product. Now we're going to connect your Facebook Messenger. So you'll go over there, click the button. Once you do, it says it's connected because you've logged in, and then you're going to select which page you want to connect. You say save that, and we'll enable it. Now your customers can order via Facebook Messenger. Your products will show, so you'll be able to select which t-shirt by that name, and then they'll say buy now. From there, Jumper will walk the customer through the color that they want. So say we pick black. They're going to walk through the sizes they want. So that will be the next one. So you'll ask for your size. It will scroll through all the sizes that you have allowed on Printful. So you select, say, a large. On that one, then it'll ask you how many you want. From there, it will then walk them through which address they want to use. So if you are new to it, you'll have to add a new address. If you're already a registered user of Jumper in your account, you can get there. You can just select it. You'll select the shipping. Same thing with a credit card or PayPal. You get an order confirmation. From there, they can pay with a card that's stored or add a new one. Then it proceeds with the payment. It processes. You get an invoice. And then it shows. Then we'll head back over to your Jumper dashboard. And in there you can see the products, but all your orders are synced directly into your Printful account as well. So give it a try. It's free. There's no fees to start with Jumper and Printful. So get started now and enjoy the Jumper and Printful experience.